Okay, so you know what's easy? Spending money on stuff like this, which I'm gonna save for an unboxing later, or like this cool hat from one of my favorite bands in a collaboration they did with Indestructible Goods, or even, let's open this up, this really cool shirt from the same company, from the same collaboration, For Your Strong, Indestructible Goods, get the For Your Strong cat, all that. So yeah, that, or spending money on stuff like this, unboxing the shirt, good old American traditional eagle. I've actually never seen this in person yet because I just opened it. Or keep it going, even spending money on stuff like this. So I got the pneumatic divider kit for my bag and some accessory straps. But you know what's not easy? Creating content. And chances are, if you're here watching this video, you already understand how difficult creating good content can be, whether you're trying to grow a YouTube channel or expanding yourself on Instagram or TikTok, or even trying to write a weekly newsletter. You know that creating good content takes a ton of time and a lot of energy and a lot of planning. So I've been creating content off and on since 2017 when I started my first channel, Fallen Creek Woodworks, rest in peace. And let me tell you, the demands on content creators has grown significantly in just a few short years. Back in the day, you could get away with posting a few times a week and or simply just snap a picture or short video with your phone and be good to go. But over time, as content creation has become a legitimate career path that literally anyone has access to, the demands of a content creator has inevitably increased. Fortunately, over the years, as a content creator, we have been given access to a lot of things that make creating content way more efficient and way more streamlined, and one of those namely being artificial intelligence. And to be honest, if you're not leveraging AI in your content creation journey, or really anywhere in life, chances are you're making things way harder on yourself than they should be, and more than likely, actually getting left behind in some aspects. But in this video, I'm going to teach you how to leverage AI, more specifically ChatGPT, to streamline your content creation process to help you to be more efficient, to avoid burnout, while also keeping things authentic and creative. So let's dig in. Okay, so first, let's talk about how ChatGPT can really help you kickstart your content creation journey and really getting you through some of the more tedious aspects of creating content, and that is brainstorming and coming up with ideas on what to create. ChatGPT can help with what's sometimes the hardest part of content creation, and that's just getting started. Whether you're stuck on ideas, you don't really know what to talk about, ChatGPT can help you generate some unique topics based off your niche, your audience's specific interest, or even trending topics. It can also help with title and headline suggestions. We all know a good title is everything, especially on YouTube, and you want to be able to tweak what your idea is and make it just a little bit more attention grabbing. AI, and more specifically ChatGPT, can help you do just that. Now, before we go any further, I want to reiterate just a few things, and this is really important, so don't click away here, especially if you just heard the first section. Definitely listen here. ChatGPT is incredibly valuable. I use it literally every day for so many different things, but you cannot strip the human out of AI. If you do that and you allow the machine to do everything, you're gonna have issues. So when creating content and leveraging ChatGPT to help brainstorm ideas or writing your script, which we'll talk about shortly, or whatever else, definitely don't let it be the end all be all. Make sure you interject yourself into the AI and make sure that you as a human being and the person with the voice and the story shines through it all. AI is great, but it's not everything. The next way that ChatGPT can really shine in content creation is helping you come up with a script that is streamlined, efficient, while still maintaining your particular voice. Because remember, we just said, you got to keep your voice into it. Once I've gotten through the ideation phase and I know exactly what I want my video or my piece of content to be about, I'll then go to ChatGPT and have it help me with writing my script for the video that I'll be working on. One important thing to remember is that ChatGPT cannot replace your unique voice, but it'll help you structure your content and speed up the writing process so that you're more efficient and you're able to put out more content. Another way that ChatGPT can help you with your content creation is by helping you write your captions for social media. If you're posting on Instagram, Twitter, Threads, TikTok, ChatGPT can help you generate catchy captions that help boost engagement. And let's be real, a lot of times writing a caption is like my least favorite thing to do. There are certain things that I really care about where I'm really going to spend a ton of time on the caption. Otherwise, I'm either going to just write, all right, here's a picture of this place, or I'm going to leverage ChatGPT based off of the piece of content that I have and the bullet points that I have, and have it help me to write a good, catchy caption. ChatGPT is also really valuable in the scripting and writing phase of content creation because it can help you make sure that your content is optimized for SEO, search engine optimization. In addition to that, ChatGPT can help with call to actions. We all know that call to actions are what have driven us to purchase and to do many things. And it's typically because the call to action was very successful at doing what it was. So a lot of times I'll use ChatGPT to help me optimize my call to action. A lot of times I know exactly what I want my audience to do, but sometimes I don't have the best way to phrase it. So a lot of times what I will do is I'll go in, I'll share my call to action, and then I'll have ChatGPT optimize it, make it shorter, make it more succinct, make it something that is going to catch someone's attention, not lose their interest, and drive them to do the thing that I want them to do. The third way that ChatGPT can help you with content creation is in production and editing. AI isn't just for writing, it can actually help you with the technical side of content creation as well. But let me pause here again. This is a disclaimer. Do not generate content strictly by typing into ChatGPT and having it spit out an image or spit out a video for you. That's wrong. I will not stand for that kind of content creation. If that's you who do that, you do you, but that's just not what I like this to be all about. For me, this is probably where I leverage ChatGPT and AI the least, because I really think that the production and editing component of creating content is where the human comes out a lot, because you're the person who's in front of the camera or on the other side of the camera. So if you hear me saying to use ChatGPT to produce your content, not what I'm saying at all, but here's what I do think you could use ChatGPT for in production. ChatGPT is perfect for shot list planning. If you're not sure what visuals to include or you don't have the best ideas for B-roll, ChatGPT can help you outline the best shots for your video. And a lot of times what I'll do is I will input my script or input my bullet points and have ChatGPT help me generate some ideas on what shot angles or lists or B-roll that I should create and add into my content. And this is where it's really helped speed up my process. I don't have to sit there and think as much about the B-roll. And again, there are plenty of times where I just automatically know, but sometimes you just need a little extra help. ChatGPT can also use for other aspects in this production process too. You can help you generate editing checklists so that you can speed up and streamline your editing process and a number of other things. But again, this is one of the phases in the creation journey where I use it the least, but did want to give you just a few ways that you can use it and make you more efficient in the production aspect. So yeah, using AI in content creation is really beneficial, but I want to talk about some of the ways that you absolutely should not use AI in your content creation journey. In my personal opinion, AI should not be used to help you establish your personality and narrative in your content creation. Overuse of ChatGPT for script writing is never a good thing. It's great for structuring your content and it's great for giving you some good ideas, but if you rely on it too much, your content will feel flat and emotionless. And once you go down that slippery slope of allowing ChatGPT to interject itself and AI into your content, you start to lose a lot of authenticity. You become just like all the other AI-generated brands that produce lifeless, emotionless, storyless content, or content that's just regurgitated from a machine, and you're losing sight of what this is really all about, and it's making connections, being a person who's sharing a story, telling a narrative, and all these different things, and sharing something that you're passionate about. And when you rely too much on a computer, it takes that completely out of the picture. AI's job is to regurgitate information that's already out there. Its job isn't to create new things. That's your job as the creator. And the moment that you rely on AI to do the creation for you, you're missing out on things that are actually original or voices that are actually original. Where I think AI really starts to degrade the value and the uniqueness of creating content is when it's used to start pumping out piece after piece after piece. I know you can scroll through YouTube and you can say, here's how you can use ChatGPT to generate 100, 200, 300 ideas of content in 10 minutes or less. And to me, that just doesn't make sense. While I will always support efficiency, streamlining processes, creating systems, I will never support using AI to do the job for you. And I will never support AI replacing the human aspect of content creation. And the moment that we all allow AI to do that is just the moment that we need to walk away from creating in general. Okay, so if you've made it to this part of the video, or if you skipped to this part of the video, I want to go ahead and close out. And I want to reiterate, I think that ChatGPT is truly a superpower, but it's a superpower that must be harnessed with discernment. By all means, use ChatGPT to help speed up your workflow, to help speed up your processes, to help you be more consistent. But please, please, please do not let ChatGPT or AI strip your voice and uniqueness out of the content that you are creating. Your voice, your perspective, your story are what matters. And the moment that you take that out of what you're creating, you might as well just stop creating altogether. All that rambling said, in the comment section, please make sure to let me know how you're leveraging ChatGPT in your content creation journey. And if you're not using ChatGPT, let me know what you are using, or let me know that you're not using AI at all, and maybe you're just a superhuman content creator and you can just do it all efficiently by yourself without the help of computers, because that's awesome too. And then while you're at it, go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel. Again, I'm just getting started. This is my 4th video on this channel. Well, really not my 4th one. I have a bunch of archive stuff, but that's besides the point. This is my 4th video since restarting YouTube, and I could use all the help I could get to really pump this channel up. I'm having so much fun creating these videos each week, and I'm excited to continue to do that week after week after week and put in the reps. And from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for tuning into this video as I restart my YouTube journey. It has been a blast. It's hard to believe this is already the 4th video since restarting, and it's just getting started. I am continuing to work on new ideas, hone in on my niches, because I can't just do one thing over and over. That's just not how my brain works. But I'm honing in on those things, and I'm so excited to bring my ideas and stories to the channel. So please make sure you stick around, like, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and really spread the word about this channel too as we take and hit the ground running. Just hit 225 subscribers, which is massive to me. It's unbelievable, and I can't wait for more and more milestones with you guys. So thanks for tuning in. We'll see you in next week's video.